Did you know that 2,500 years ago, a Greek philosopher discovered humanity's greatest blind spot by watching people pray? Xenophanes noticed something strange. The Ethiopians made their gods dark-skinned with broad noses. The Thracians gave their gods red hair and blue eyes. He realized every culture creates gods that look exactly like them. Then he said something brilliant. If horses could draw, they would make their gods look like horses. This wasn't just about religion, it was about how we see everything. We judge success by our own definition. We think our problems are the biggest. We assume our way is the right way. Xenophanes called this the trap of perspective. The cure? He said to always ask this question: what if I'm wrong? What if there's another way to see this situation? What if my assumptions are limiting me? The wisest people aren't those who know the most. They're those who question what they think they know. Your perspective isn't reality, it's just your view of reality, and that view can change everything.